Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to add music to your video in CapCut Mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your CapCut. So I'm going to click on here to open my CapCut app. And it's going to load up like so. Now, you can simply come to the top right there, click on new project to add a new project, or better still, click on your existing project. So I'm going to simply click on my existing project like so. Right, so we have it right there. So you can see this video right there has no sound. Now let's see how we can simply add whether background music or whatever type of audio we want to add into our video in CapCut. What you need to do is to simply click on add audio right here. And it's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on sound. So click on sounds. It's take you right here. Now you have so many free music on CapCut. So if you want to choose any one of them or TikTok music, you can swipe and check any one of them right here. But in this tutorial, I will show you how you can get the music from your phone if you have a separate music that you want to add to your video. And for you to do that, simply click on this particular folder right here. So after you click on the folder, it takes you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on Device. Then scroll down and choose the music from your device. So this depends on the number of music you have for your device. So what you need to do is to simply select any one you want to use, and then you can listen to the audio. Once you're satisfied with the audio, click on this plus sign here, and automatically the music will be added into your video. You can simply click and hold down and drag the music to start from the beginning of the video, and then check on where the music stops. So you can also click on here and increase the music. So you can also check where the music stops. So like so, this music stop right here. I'm going to simply select my clip right here. I'll click on split and I'll select this one, and I will select this one. Then I'll make sure I click on delete. And by the time you play your video, the music is going to be in the background of the video. If you want to control the volume of the audio, simply select on the audio, and then you have to simply click on volume right here. Click on volume. Having click on volume, you can turn down the volume as much as possible. You can turn it down as much as possible. You can even, so we have fully muted the audio. We can simply adjust it a little bit. So depends on how best you want it to be in the background of your video. So basically, this is how to add music to your video in CapCut Mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.